What's up? It's your boy Average Tech Guy, and I'm sorry, but I got a little bad news for those owners of iPad 10.5 who are looking forward to iPadOs. Let's break it down. So, I have tons of gadgets, tons of things to work with this. Many accessories. You've seen my videos. I got the hubs, I got the hard drives, I got the SSDs, you name it, I've been through it. So the thing that we've been worried about most is, will you be able to use USB Type-C hubs with your iPad 10.5 when iPadOs is available? And it seems to me that the answer is going to be no. Now, you may say, why? And this may be fixed in a future update. I'm not sure, but I think it has something to do with the power capability. Now, I found this dongle and I got this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below, but it's a lightning adapter, has a lightning power pass through, a SD card slot, a micro SD card slot, and a USB drive slot right here. Now, the micro SD card and SD card slot both work. I'll show you right now that they do work. So I plug this in and I actually go into my files. Once I get into my files, it's going to pop up over here. There's my Nikon D3200 and there we go. That's what's on here. So the SD card slot, micro SD card slot actually works. You can send pictures and things back and forth. I got pics right here. I can send it to my iPad. So I select, hit that one. I want to move it and I want to put it on my iPad, and I copy it and then go over here to my iPad and there it is. So items can go back and forth between the SD card and micro SD card. But when it comes to plugging in a thumb drive, let me show you what happens. Even with this device, thumb drive plugged in. So the actual thumb drive would not even show up. And earlier it was giving me an error saying that it was the power output was too much or just crazy stuff. So for now, file sharing is going to have to be kept between the SD cards and the micro SD cards. The thumb drives won't even work with this. Now I'm going to power it up. I'm going to run some power to it, and then I'll come back and show you guys how this is going to work. So since I know someone is going to ask, why didn't you run power directly to it? I got power going to here, lightning. And as you can see right here, it is charging. So now I'm going to plug this back in, thumb drive going back in, and let's see what happens. You do have a power supply going there now. And do we get anything? So we waited long enough. Nothing's happening. Now, we got right here, USB Type-C SSD. I want to plug this up. I'm going to use the USB because there is no USB Type-C cable over here. Plugging that in. There we go. Cannot use accessory. Let's make sure everybody can see this. Cannot use accessory. Portable SSD T5. It requires too much power. So too much power is required for the USB Type-C devices. Now, just to be fair, I'm going to try the SanDisk one, so nobody says I left it out. Plugging it in. And nothing happened with that one. So I'm going to take this all the way out this time, plug it all the way back in, and see if anything happens this time. Okay, so nothing even happened with the SanDisk. I at least got the error with the T5 over here. SanDisk didn't give me any type of issue. SanDisk didn't give me any type of error. I'm unplugging it. So there we go. iPad 10.5 Pro users, you are going to have to stick with these. Your SD cards and your micro SD cards if you want to transfer data using iPadOs. You're going to have to stick with those. Seems like those are going to be the only ones that work because the lightning adapter or the lightning port is not strong enough to deal with some of our larger devices. So I'd like to know your thoughts on this. If you know of anything that will work, that will transfer USB Type-C data over to our lightning port, hit me up, let me know. I'll get the item, I'll try it out, I'll show everybody. But for right now, verdict is in on my side. We will not be able to use our USB Type-C devices with iPad 10.5 running iPadOs. Now, like I said, this is not the final word. Something may happen to where they will work. There may be an update somewhere in the line, but for right now, they are not capable of working with this device. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.